Linking your bank to First Solar is a straightforward process that allows for seamless transactions and management of your account. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Access your First Solar account. Log into your First Solar account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one by providing the necessary information. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or payment options section. This is typically found in the main menu or under your profile settings. Step 3. Select bank linking option. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRUG to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter bank information. You will be prompted to enter your bank account details, including your account number and routing number. Ensure that the information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank information, review the details for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes. You may receive a verification email or notification to finalize the linking process. By following these steps, you will successfully link your bank account to First Solar, enabling efficient management of your transactions. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.